Hey guys, it's Tim and Tricksha, and we're gonna play Marvel Champions. Let's get right into it. Okay. This is an iOS game. I don't know if it's out on Android. You can just see if you are an Android person. So we're just gonna do online and one quest. And then we'll just end the episode there. The first series, whatever that means. Okay. I'm versing a guy. This would be pretty easy though, because he's a lower level for me. Yeah, this is how you play. Do left for block, right punch, and if you get Thor, hold right, and then you can do a special pass. Okay. You can push his green button on the bottom. See? You can knock him out. Something special power. And you can get crystals to unlock stuff, like superheroes, anything. Get these chips, gold, or something else, or the something else. I forgot what it's called. Okay, 50 chips. And battle chips. Okay. We'll go to the quest. So if you hear background noises, sorry, I just got into bed. It's more comfortable. This is the quest. This is not an actual person in here. This is the this one. So you can get it for free, not for money. Okay, that's all you need to do, and it's a wrap up for this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. I'll be making a video tomorrow. Actually, no, I won't. My friend will. And he's gonna play Xbox.